I used to burn out at 2 a.m. writing emails, invoices, and client reports until I built a system that runs my business while I sleep.
But here's the thing. AI isn't magic. It's not about tools. It's about systems. And I built one that runs 24/7 with 0 employees.
So what's the real secret? The 3-hour business blueprint, a framework that lets you scale to 12K a month with just 3 hours of weekly work.
Wait, I've seen that before. You built it after your AI chatbot rejected 37 clients in a row because the prompts were broken.
Exactly. We tested 5,700 variations, fixed the logic. Now it auto qualifies leads, books calls, sends invoices, all without a single human touch.
So you're saying I don't need to hire someone. I just need to build a system that thinks like me but never sleeps.
Yes, and that's why we call it the 3-hour business blueprint. You set it once, it runs forever. You're not scaling your workload, you're scaling your freedom.